So if the Birmingham NEC shows to go by, you've spent around £100,000 to £500,000 on your new VW camper van or equivalent or something. Now they are called money pits for an absolute reason, because as soon as we buy them, we think, oh, that'd be nice. Oh, I'll get some different headlights. Oh, I'll get some side repeaters. Oh, I'll get this and I'll get that, which is absolutely fine, because the amount of joy that it brings, then it's absolutely worth being a money pit. And we got our camper Rita from new, pretty much. We got our conversion done to exactly how we wanted. And then, but already we've only owned her about 8 months. So I've started doing little bits to it, like the side repeaters. And also one thing that I want to do is I want to try and keep it like new. I know it's going to get dents, it's going to get muddy, it's going to get scratches. That's just like, that's it. And recently we've just got a massive bent alloy because the UK roads are shocking. So I'm going for the swamper look style, and I did a little post on forum the other day and everyone's like, yeah, just absolutely do it. It's a game changer. So Rita, as she looks now, she could be improved. So that's why we're going for swamper. So going back to protecting your van and making sure that you try and keep it looking as fresh and as new as possible without the scratches, which are definitely going to come. This is where this video comes in. Perfect. You might have it or you might not, but on Rita, our camper van, we have tiny little door sill protectors. It's like a grated sticker thing. You know what I mean, and you can see it here. So all I wanted was, because we're getting in and out of the wagon in boots, shoes, whatever, then I don't want that bit to keep being scratched or clipped or anything, or when the dogs jump up or things like that. So I found a site, they're based in the UK, they're called Van Trend, vantrend.co.uk, and guess what they do? Door sill protectors. Guess what I bought? Door sill protectors. And here they are, nice molded bit of toughened plastic. I don't know the technical specs of this, so I'm just going to relate as if I was speaking to myself. Very tough plastic, and it's got these super 3M sticker bits on the back which fit super easy, and then as long as you push down on it for 30 seconds, I didn't even read the instructions of how to fit them because I was like, I got this, I have got this. So make sure you get them the right way up as well. So yeah, you just push down on them for 30 seconds and then bosh, they pretty much ain't coming off, and it's going to protect the full roundness of that sill step that you get on your van on both sides. So obviously they come as a pair, and as you can see in this video, all I do is just wipe down, clean the surface, make sure it's as clean and as dry as possible so these stick. Sorry, I just hit my elbow. So these stick, and clean it, dry it, and then take the stickers off, which with these pigs were quite hard. So maybe use a little Stanley blade to pull them off, and then get them the right way, orientate them the right way, push down hard on them for 30 seconds, and then you're good to go. Your door sills are protected. So these were from Van Trend, and the problem is that you start looking on a site and you're like, oh, I like that. And that, and that, and that. So there's probably going to be more coming from Van Trend because I really do like their site, and they cater for a whole selection of campers and vehicles in general. So definitely I'll link them down below, so check them out. Non-affiliated and all that, but I'll link to exactly where I got these. Rita is a T6.1, so if that makes any difference, I don't know, because I just selected T6.1 and bought them. So there we go, door sill protectors. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, what we're trying to do is there's a base video, which is about, there's a base video about all the questions that I wish someone had explained and showed to me prior to purchasing a van. Now, there is a load of information out there, but I'm trying to do this structured, and my audience is someone like me that had absolutely no idea, from simple things about space in the pop top, to how we heat, to how we eat, to how we set up, to what we do for drinking water, to fridges, to electrical control panels and everything like that. So if this is something that interests you, then please just, you know what that is, that's like and subscribing or anything like that. So because we've got a massive following on this channel, but the problem is 99% of the people were all to do with my previous content, and that is to do with tech, DCS and things like that. And I kind of was losing the passion for that. So I wanted to, like, we got the van and I was like, I'm going to love creating videos around this. And I am absolutely loving it. So we've got so much planned for this year as well. So if you are even remotely interested, it doesn't cost anything to hit that subscribe button. So just hit it. Thanks ever so much. vantrend.co.uk. Go and check them out as a minimum. Thank you.